Hey guys, it's Canon Vixia Studios here, and we are here with a deconstruction update because these safari tours are actually off the map for a great adventure. And so it's interesting, there is no scenery here anymore. At this point it's just a track, and we have whatever that may be. Dad, do you know what those things are? Those green, like...
Yeah, that's the pickups for the electric.
Those are the pickups for the electric.
It looks like they're removed.
So they have been removed, meaning that this track is just sitting dormant right now. Was it open last year at all?
Yeah, it was open.
It was open, so I'm gonna guess that they're taking this out because it's not on the map. So it's definitely, yeah, this is definitely a good sized area. I'm very curious to see what goes here next, but there is no scenery over here. It is just grass and track. And you can see there are some things just completely ripped out of the concrete. Over there, over there. There's a lot of things missing. This is all rusted right here. So I have a feeling that this all led up to the removal of the ride. And I have a feeling this kiddie area is going to be revamped very soon.
They have new cypress over there too.
They do have new trees over there, likely to block the ride off from public view. So it's going to be very interesting to see what becomes of the ride. And there is nothing in the ride queue house, station, whatever you want to call it. There is nothing. All that's left is like the track, the building, and this little electric thing, and something in the middle over there. So here's another update in the Safari Kids area. Sky Zooma is not looking good. So I have a feeling it will open later this year. It just says it's closed today. But I'm not sure what's really going on with this ride because it is just in pieces. So normally this ride, it's a hot air balloon type ride, but all the cars are just sitting over here on the side, which is kind of strange. Then you have safari tours over there, also kind of just sitting there, not doing much. So very strange. Not sure what's to come of this ride. I'm sure that ride though will be removed. So that'll about do it for this construction update, or in this case, deconstruction update. The rides in Safari Kids area. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.